Hey guys, how's it been going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at the CSS reference on MDN. Actually, the last video I've covered the background stuff. There are a lot of CSS property of background, but one of them is missed. Was missed. I'm sorry. The one is blend mode, the background blend mode. So in this video, I'm going to cover this. Actually, it's a new data type, blend mode, which is used both in background blend mode and mixed blend mode. So first, about the blend mode, actually, there are a lot of values, and actually it defines how two colors merge together, I would say. I'm not an expert on colors. Suppose we have two background here, and obviously the blue one is above the green one, so the default is normal. So the final color is the top color, right? Which means the color, there's no opacity of them. Okay, so this is a normal one, and actually we could change that. And there's a different blend mode. Actually, the normal one is not blending, right? It's totally not blending, and actually the rest are blend mode. So, for example, we could use multiply. It means the effect is like two images printed on a transparent film overlapping. So, actually, I really don't understand what it is talking about. Yeah, it's kind of like. Yeah, this is multiplied. It's the colors merged together. Okay. Two images printed on the transparent film overlapping. Yeah, I'm not a designer, so I couldn't explain it well. Okay, the final color is the result of multiplying the top and bottom colors. Anyway, so it's if green like this and blue like this, it would be sort of kind of like black here. Okay, the next one is green. Screen. The final color is the result of inverting the colors, multiplying them, and then inverting that value. I don't know what it's talking about. The effect is like two images shown onto the projection screen. Really? If two colors projected on a screen, it's like look like this. Yeah. Oh my god. I cannot explain it well. So let's just skip through, not skip, just look through them briefly, okay? The other one is overlay. The final color is a result of multiply if the bottom color is darker, or screen if the bottom color is lighter. I don't know what it's talking about. Darken. So let's just see the demos, okay? This is overlay. Okay, this is darken. It's kind of the same like this one, right? Okay, lighten, color dodge. I don't know. Color burn, hard light. I don't know. Soft light. Blah 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 blah. There's a lot of them. Okay. So take a look at the example. Okay. So this is all the values for blend mode. Now let's jump into the two different properties. One is background blend mode. So here is an example. Let's inspect it. Okay. We have a background, color of green, and a background image, which is these blue with blue background. It's what it is, a balloon. Okay. So default, the background image is above the background color. So this is what we see. It's an image. Now this is normal. If we choose multiply, so it's kind of like two colors merged together, right? Okay, this is green, and this is the background image. So together, it's kind of a little greeny background image, and this is a hard light. What's the difference? It's I don't know, a difference. Oh, so this is actually a value called difference. Oh my god. Anyway, so if you use multiply background, you can define how the backgrounds should be merged. Okay, this is the blend mode. And let's again, going to go to the mix blend mode. Okay, this is really interesting. So the values are the same. Let's just see the last example here. You see that there are 3 circles here. Okay, this is the circle, and this is not a circle, and this is not a circle. If we don't define the okay, don't set the where is the blend mode? Where is the blend mode? Here. Mix blend mode. If there's no special setting for this, it's normal, so it will be covered with one another, right? The blue one is at last, so it's covers the light green one and covering the red one. If we use a mix blend mode screen, it will be something like this. Well, it's kind of cool. We could use multiply to see what happens. Multiply. Okay. This is kind of 2 colors merged together, right? So it's pretty cool. Yeah. And it must be used with isolation. No, it doesn't matter. Without isolation, the background color will be taken into account. Background color. There is this like background. Let's see. Background color red. Without isolation, the background color. What is the isolation do? Isolation. There's no explanation here. Okay, so that's all for this video. About the isolation, I will use another. Wait a minute. Okay, I will create spend some other time on this isolation stuff. And today it's about blend mode. So remember, multiple background or multiple covering overlapping elements, we could use this mix blend mode to define how the colors should be rendered. Okay, that's all for this one. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.